Hi everyone, welcome to the Mecad Minute. My name is Pierre Le Grange and today I'm going to demonstrate a hidden gem in the PDM Professional Vault that is called the Treehouse view. Currently, you'll notice that I've got a normal assembly. Now I'm going to go over to my Contains tab. Click on Contains. This will now show this as a normal column view with the file name and warnings. And I can go to my far right hand corner. There's an option that is Select View Style. I'm going to select Treehouse View, and this will now load that entire assembly in a treehouse function. The nice thing about this is I can now go and directly see the different sub-assemblies and each sub-assembly's children with the parts, and you can also actually go and show the different drawings for them. The other options include a zoom to area or just a zoom to fit. I can go hide and show different options like file name or file type icon and the thumbnail previews. I've got different node styles like landscape, portrait, and compact. There's then also the option to either go and group the children or not, just to show the difference. And I'm just going to go and zoom to fit again. And then the last one is just to go and show all the drawing nodes. When I'm done with this, I can actually go and export all of this information with the thumbnails into an Excel format. So I'm going to go here on the right hand side where is the export options. I'm going to select export with thumbnails. And this will now load Excel with a thumbnail preview of the different parts and the different assemblies, and as well as the different column headers that was in the Contains tab. Thank you for watching this Mecad Minute with us. Please go and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for spending this minute with me. Enjoy your day further. Cheers.